Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today we're going to talk about investment in the stock market. I want to show you my results. I want to share with you the platform that I'm trading on, and I want to show you that investment is not a difficult thing to do. So if you want to try invest yourself and you're interested in this issue, I hope this content and this video will be very useful for you, so watch it till the end. And I'm gonna show what's happening on the stock market. I'm using the IQ option platform, and this platform is absolutely suitable for my purposes, for my investment purposes, and want to show you interesting case like Facebook stocks. I bought a Facebook and I'm a part of a Facebook, and I am owner of a Facebook company, and you should think about investment in the stock market as the ownership of the company. So I am the owner of a Facebook. Yes, near the Mark Zuckerberg, but he is a big owner and I'm the small owner, and you can become an owner. So if you watching to the market, you just scrolling out a little bit, you see that the trend is up going. For example, there's small bottom right here. All right, and this is great spot to buy, to press the buy button, because you know that the price will go up in that moment. Facebook brought me 200%. So I invested $1,000, and in just a couple days I have $2,000 of profit. Now you can say that I don't have like $1,000, I'm not ready to invest $1,000 to take such risk for $1,000. Okay, you can start with the $10 literally. This platform allows you to make the small amounts of money. It allows you to make the small deposits and to trade on these deposits. I believe that you do have $10. Do you? I believe that you do. And you can just spend that money for, I don't know, coffee, or buy a t-shirt, for example, or you can make that money to work on you. I have some amount of money on my balance and I can take risks. For example, when I'm like investing, this is pretty risky stuff. Let's be honest. This is pretty risky, but this is very interesting because think about the main issue. Your money is working for you, not you working for money, but money working for you. And you can just sit in on your couch and drink a cocktail or coffee or do whatever you want, and your money still working for you. This is passive income. Of course, you need to have some amount of money to invest, but I told you that you can start with the small amounts, and there's a couple ways to make money on the stock market. The first one is a short trade. Like, you can buy a company today and to close the position today, and in that case you're getting like a couple percent of profit. Let's see what's happening with Volkswagen, and I'm showing you on this case. I bought a Volkswagen stocks right in this position, and 81% of traders thinking that the price will go higher. Right now it's going down, but I don't care, because I'm gonna wait a day or like hours. You can buy it today and close the position today, or sell it today and close the position today, and you will have like 10% of profit or 5% of profit, and it's also good. But if you're using another one way to make money on the stock market, and you're holding it for longer time, then you can see that if company is growing, you know that company is well known, you know that company is like old on the market, and it will not disappear as happening with the IPOs and with the startups. This company is well known, and let's see the list of these companies. Rolls-Royce, guys, Rolls-Royce, Barclays, Airbus. Oh, interesting. What's happening with Airbus? The company is stable. The company is growing. Let's buy some stocks right now because it's not moving down, it's moving up, and we're gonna wait. Right now, the platform is taking a small fee for the actions with the stocks, with the physical stocks of companies, and it's okay, it's normal. So there's a lot of companies that you can trade on, that you can buy. And think about it like you become an owner of a company, you become a stakeholder of a company. Vodafone, for example, well-known old company that's making money all the time. Let's buy some stocks of this company, and we're just waiting. Like I can close this position today when I'll see that I have my profit, or I can like close the position tomorrow, or in a week, or in a month, or if I'll hold the stocks for a year, I will get a dividends from a company. If you don't know what does it mean, imagine that company is working and getting its profit, and in the long period, in the long time, like they're closing their financial year, and they're sharing the profit with the stakeholders, and you are the one of the stakeholders, the small one. If you invested like $100 or $1,000, you're a small investor, but you are an investor and you're a stakeholder and you're part of this company, and this company is working for you. So you invested money, you get in a profit with a long period. Decide which way to make money is more suitable for you, but I love to hold the stocks, because in that case you can get different big profits. For example, I'll show you the Disney company. The Disney company, everybody knows this company for sure, and you know, and everybody knows. I bought it right here, and right now it brought me 109% of profit. And I bought it like last week. 100% of profit within the week. Just think about it. 1 second, at least 1 second, just think about it. 100% based on your amount of investment, you can get 100% of profit in a week. And this is absolutely fantastic. So I bought it right here. I could sell it, for example. I could close the position right here, or if I would nervous, I would like close the position with a loss. But I waited a little bit, and I'm getting 100% of profit. I'm trying to diversify my portfolio, and as you can see, there's plenty of companies. Right now, for example, I have 164% by all of my stocks, all of my portfolio. I have 164% of profit, and this is not something miracle or something else. This is stock market, and you can make money on it. If you want to know which platform I'm using the IQ option, and I suggest you to try that platform because I try to use them all, and this is most transparent, it's official, everything is great, and I'm getting my withdrawals without a problems. So find the link in the description panel of this video and be my guest. Try to invest yourself. Start with the small amounts. Do not invest more money than you can afford to lose, and you're gonna be much more happier tomorrow than you are today, for sure. Thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed, and kindly ask you to subscribe to my channel if you didn't yet, and press the notification button not to miss all of my new videos that I'm making for you. Thank you, and bye. See you in the next videos.